Trying to figure out auto insurance in California? I'll break it down simply so you know what to expect. In California, drivers must have liability insurance by law. This covers injuries or damage you cause to others in an accident. The minimum limits are $15,000 for injury to death per person, $30,000 per accident, and $5,000 for property damage. Besides liability, many drivers choose extra coverage like collision for damage to your car, comprehensive for theft, weather, or vandalism, and uninsured motorist coverage. California is a fault state, meaning the driver who caused the accident is responsible for paying damages. Insurance companies then handle the claims and payouts. Another thing to know, California requires you to carry proof of insurance at all times. You can show this digitally on your phone. If you don't have insurance, you risk fines, license suspension, or even vehicle impoundment. Shopping around is key to getting the best deal. Different insurers offer different rates and discounts based on your driving record, car type, and location. If this helped clear things up, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy insurance tips. Thanks for watching.